Hello guys, kumusta? Ngayon, may gagawin tayong makabagong tutorial series na kung saan tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang isang software para maging convenient ang iyong pagtuturo kung ikaw ay isang guro at convenient at exciting ang iyong pag-aaral kung ikaw ay isang estudyante. I made this tutorial upang ikaw ay matulungan dahil alam naman natin na sa panahong may COVID pa, ay di pa tayo pwedeng pumunta sa ating paaralan. If you think na kailangan mo ang video na ito, then keep watching. Ang software na tinutukoy ko ay tinatawag na LMS o Learning Management System. So ano ba ang ibig sabihin at paano ba gamitin ang isang LMS? Ang LMS ay isang sistema na ginawa upang ang isang tao ay matuto sa pamamaraan na hindi komplikado at recorded yung progress at enhancement na nakukuha mo. So you will understand later what I mean by this after ko ma-share sa inyo yung benefits nito para sa learners at benefits nito para sa teachers o instructor. These are the some of LMS features. Number 1, lesson materials. So sa loob ng LMS, pwede kang gumawa, mag-upload, mag-download, or mag-modify ng lesson. Pwede ka ring maglagay ng mga videos, images, audios, documents na mas magbibigay interest para sa estudyante mo upang sila ay matuto. Number 2, quizzes for self-assessment. So every end ng lesson, pwede mong i-require, pwede ding hindi. So depende sa setup mo na i-take ng student yung pre-made quiz or any form of assessment na ginawa mo para i-check kung naiintindihan ba ng learner ang topic. And the exciting part and the best part dito ay automatically malalaman ng estudyante ang kanyang score after niya i-submit yung completed quiz niya. At marirecord din ito sa online class record mo. O diba, mas convenient. Number 3, progress tracking. Sa loob ng LMS ay pwede mong ma-track ang progress ng learner. Malalaman mo kung saan na ba siyang banda sa inyong topic. Sa ang lesson na ba, may kulang pa ba siya sa mga assignments na kailangan niya i-submit, take na ba niya lahat ng quizzes niya, or may lacking documents pa ba siya na kailangan niyang i-submit na ni-required mo. So yan yung kagandahan dito. Pang-apat, learner feedback. Pwede ka rin magbigay ng feedback individually sa learners regarding sa output nila. If may kailangan bang i-enhance, kailangan bang i-improve, pwede mo din yung gawin sa loob ng LMS. These are only the few of the features na pwede mong magamit sa loob ng LMS. Mas marami pa talaga siyang features, pero ito lang yung some of the features na sinishare ko sa inyo kasi ma-take up din natin yan in the next video. Ngayon naman, magbibigay ako ng top 5 na benefits ng LMS para sa students. Okay, so number 1, access to information anytime, anywhere. Okay, so ang learner o ang estudyante can get access sa mga lesson materials kahit saan, kahit kailan. As long as may gadget or any device na connected sa internet, ay pwede sila mag-engage sa e-learning content. O diba, less hassle and more excitement. Some of the LMS ay meron silang mobile app, or if wala silang app, yung website nila ay pwede ma-view sa cellphone mo. So yan yung kagandahan sa LMS. It's either any of the devices, pwede lang ma-view ang e-learning contents. Di ka mabahala, for example, if may class kayo ngayon, tapos napag-iwanan ka kasi inutusan ka ng parents mo. So anytime, pwede mong balikan yung lesson na hindi mo pa na take up. Yan yung kagandahan ng LMS. Okay, number 2, centralized information. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng centralized information? So ang lahat ng study materials ay consolidated in one location. Okay, so lahat ng images, videos ay nakasave siya sa server kung saan nakahost yung LMS website. And the student and the teachers can quickly exchange for various resources. Ibig sabihin ng centralized information, lahat ng kailangan mo upang matuto ay andito na sa loob ng LMS provided na ni teacher. Okay, number 3, increased communication. Sa loob ng LMS, pwede kang gumawa ng groupings na kung saan pwedeng mag-collaborate ng kaklase mo regarding sa task na binibigay ni teacher. Pwede kayong mag-exchange ng opinions, mag-brainstorm. Paano yon? Sa loob ng LMS ay merong built-in na chat box na kung saan pwede kayong mag-communicate. Pwede kang mag-communicate sa teacher mo, pwede kang mag-communicate sa kaklase mo. Yan yung kagandahan ng LMS. So, parang meron din siyang messenger. Tapos, updated ka sa news mula kay teacher or sa mga kaklase mo. Bakit? Paano yon? Dahil pwede kang gumawa ng post sa loob ng LMS. So, para siyang Facebook na mag-upload ka ng status mo. So, pwede ka mag-post doon ng anything. Katulad din ng Facebook. Okay, so number 4, studying becomes more enjoyable. Bakit? Paano? So the students can study at their own pace. So hindi kayo pressure na tapusin mo ngayong araw yung isang buong topic kung hindi mo pa naman gusto. Kung masipag kang mag-aral pero busy ka sa mga utos ni nanay, di ka mabahala na mapag-iwanan sa klase. Bakit? Kasi naandun at may access ka ng lessons kahit na mamaya na or bukas or pwedeng sa sunod na araw kung kailan mo gusto. Ay pwede yon. O diba mas gusto natin yon? Pero syempre, susundin mo rin yung deadlines na binibigay ni teacher. At once si teacher magbibigay ng maganda at engaging na content, so syempre, maiinganyo ka talaga na mag-aral. Okay, number 5, time saving. Bakit nasasabi natin time saving siya? Unang-una, direct to the point yung klase nyo. Kung ano lang yung kailangan mo at kailangan mong matutunan, ay pwede mong yun lang yung i-access mo. Kung ano yung hinihingi ni teacher after mo ma-take up yung lesson, ay magagawa mo rin. For example, pag submit ng assignments, it is just one click away. So anytime na may updates about sa lesson, makikita mo yun agad. Kasi mayroong built-in na notification. So para ding Facebook na may notification para ma-notify ka na may updated or may bagong lesson na ginawa si teacher. Malalaman mo rin kung saan banda ka na sa inyong topic, kung ano na ba yung progress mo. For example, if magbibigay si teacher ng deadline, sabihin niya na, okay class, dapat within 1 week matapos nyo yung buong chapter 1. Sa loob ng isang linggo, alam mo kung paano mo hatiin yung oras mo para within 1 week ay matapos mo ang isang chapter. At makikita mo ito sa yung account kung ano na ba yung progress na binigay na task ni teacher. Diba? Mas maganda. Okay, so yun yung top 5 LMS benefits for students. Ngayon naman, i-share ko sa inyo yung top 5 LMS benefits for teachers. Okay, so number 1, consolidating resources for students, teachers, and administrator. Okay, yung setup ng LMS ay meron siyang admin. Yung admin, yung magbibigay ng access naman sa mga teachers para makagawa ng accounts. After nyan, yung teachers naman magbibigay ng access sa mga students para makagawa ng account. Or sila yung magbibigay ng instruction kung paano gumawa ng account. It's either through email or through sign up. Pwede rin si teacher na lang gagawa tapos ibibigay na lang dun sa students. Tapos after makagawa ni student ng account, mag-enroll siya sa mga subjects na dapat niyang i-take up depende kung anong grade level siya. Kung ikaw ay isang teacher na marami kang hinahandle na grade level at different sections, magkakaiba't ibang class record yon. Now, sa loob ng LMS, ang gagawin mo lang ay bibigyan mo lang ng instruction yung mga estudyante mo kung paano na mag-enroll sila sa klase mo or mag-enroll sila sa subject na under sila. Tapos, after yan, mayroon na kayong account, both the teacher and the student. So, syempre, pwede mo nang matrack yung performance ng mga estudyante mo at yung report grades nila from different level kung na iyong hinahandle. Okay, so number 2, simplifying the lesson building. So, ang paggawa ng lesson sa loob ng LMS ay napakasimple lamang. In every chapter, so, syempre, gagawa ka ng lesson. So, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yung students mo ay hindi makaproceed sa lesson 2 if hindi nila natapos yung lesson 1. Para siyang step-by-step procedure hanggang sa matapos sila yung isang buong chapter. At lahat ng kailangan ng estudyante ay nasa loob na ng LMS. For example, kailangan nila manood ng video. So, pwede ka makaprovide ng video sa loob ng LMS.
Also, collaboration will be easier as resources can be easily shared among colleagues within the school or a group of educators. Pwede mong ma-share yung mga content mo sa ibang teacher. There are also LMS wherein you can include components such as quizzes or games that educators are able to easily customize with their own content. So, sa loob ng LMS, you can add quizzes or games na pwede mo siya ma-customize according sa gusto mong ipagawa sa iyong estudyante. In addition, formative assessments are possible to create within LMS. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng formative assessments. And the data from these assessments assist educators in identifying students who need additional instruction or practice. Mahalaga yung data na mag-gather mo sa ginawa mong formative assessment para sa iyong estudyante upang matukoy mo kung sino yung mga students na kailangan pa ng additional instruction or need pa sila ng improvements. And you can also quickly and conveniently expand your e-learning courses. So for example, if you want to add additional online modules to your e-learning course in order to update information based on new trends or scientific evidence, you can simply log into your learning management system and make the necessary modifications without redoing your entire e-learning course. So all of the content is in one location, which allows you to change only the master e-learning course and then deploy it to all of your online learners. If you are handling many classes at the same grade level, so isa lang yung i-update mo na e-learning course. Tapos after mo update nyan, pwede mo na ito ma-deploy sa lahat ng yung estudyante na iyong tinuturuan. Wherein kung i-apply natin to sa traditional, di ba? Once nagbigay ka na ng handouts, tapos meron kang updated information na ibibigay sa mga estudyante mo. So syempre, magpiprint ka ulit, tapos ibibigay mo ito sa lahat ng yung students at different sections at the same grade level na iyong tinuturuan. Comparing the two, the LMS and the traditional teaching, so makakasave ka talaga ng time, effort, and money kung gagamitin mo yung LMS. Okay, so number 3. Easily tracks learners' progress and performance. So the LMS gives you the ability to keep track of learner progress and ensure that they are meeting their performance milestones. So for instance, if an online learner is not able to successfully complete an e-learning scenario, pwede kang mag-offer ng supplemental resources para ma-improve nila ang kanilang performance or learning behaviors. And most of LMS also feature reporting and analytics tools that also allow you to pinpoint areas of your e-learning course that may be lacking as well as where it excels. So kung na-discover mo that many of your learners are struggling throughout a specific online lesson, pwede mo i-assess ang e-learning content and make modifications kung kailangan. Okay, so next we have involving parents. So sa loob ng LMS, mayroong parent portal that enables parents to view their students' assignments and grades, as well as to see in real time if the student is missing or having difficulty with an assignment. This is an improvement on the traditional report card system, wherein parents aren't notified about grades until it may be too late for effective parent intervention, such as at the end of the semester or end of the grading period, or if the situation reaches a crisis point. Allowing parents access to their students' information helps to build better parent-teacher-student relationships and achieve more effective communication and parents' involvement with the students' learning. And the last, it reduces learning and development time. So an LMS can even reduce online training times, thanks to the fact that it gives online learners only the information they need in a direct and organized manner, instead of having to sit through a lengthy half-hour online training course. Online learners can simply click the online modules they need and absorb the knowledge in the fraction of time. They can also assess their understanding by taking online exams or quizzes, participate in an interactive scenarios and simulations, and watching e-learning videos that highlight complex processes or tasks. The number of communication tools offered by a LMS, such as chat, forum, social communities, etc., allows a teacher to engage students and give a voice to less confident ones. So have you ever noticed how different is the behavior of students with a low self-esteem when they are in the classroom with peers and online? I am sure you have. A low self-esteem and shyness are obstacles towards an active participation and engagement in the classroom activities, which are easily overcome in the online learning environment, where a student doesn't fear to express
the thoughts. That's one of the advantage. Kasi yung mga mahihiyain, nagkakaroon sila ng chance or time para ma-express nila or makaparticipate sila sa mga activities.
Okay, so now there are two types of learning management system. So the first one, we have a web-based LMS, also known as the software as a service or SaaS, or cloud-based LMS solution. So these are the type of LMS wherein you can access this one online. And the next one is the installed LMS software. So these LMS are need to be installed locally on your computer. Now we are going to focus on web-based LMS. Sa susunod na video, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano ang paggawa ng sarili mong account sa isang web-based LMS. So see you in the next video.